this webinar. Today, we will be discussing about all the prepaid solutions like pinless, calling card, and the distributor resellers. Before proceeding with the webinar, I would like to give you a small introduction about IPsmarx. We have been within the industry since 2001, and we have 40+ voice features for many business models. And how will you do this business? The chain works like this. You will be on the top as an administrator, and then further you can have resellers who can go ahead and help you in increasing your sales channel. And if you give them the privilege, they can further create the sub-agents as well. Now, what do you need exactly for this business? You would need a server. You can either rent out the server from a data center or you can establish your own. But though you have to keep in mind that you have to maintain your server as well if you establish your own. If you rent it out, then your data center can help you in maintaining your server as well. And we can provide you the recommendations for the server. Then is license. License depends upon how many concurrent calls goes through the system. And carrier is like carriers are those providers which help you in connecting the phone calls. In DID providers as the companies from which you get the local access number or the virtual numbers which you can offer it to your clients so that they can make an outgoing VoIP calls. Then is printer service. If you are offering your clients with the physical cards within the market, then you would need this printer service so that you can go ahead and get your cards printed within the market. And then is resellers. Resellers can be anyone, maybe a variety store or a convenience store who can help you in selling your services further within the market. Now, what do you get exactly from us? From us, once you get your server ready, our technical support team will be doing the installation for you. And then as soon as the installation is done on your server, you will be passed on to the training team. They will help you with the business launch. And then that's not it. We do provide you with an ongoing technical support as well. Now, what will be your customer's experience? Because whenever we do anything new, we're always concerned about our customer's experience. Your customers, they can use your services through many different platforms. They can sign up with your services, recharge with your services through the phone, through a website which we will offer you. And then you can even go ahead and have your own application within the market, which I'll go ahead and discuss with you shortly. So your customers, once they start using your services, right, for example, if they sign up with you through your website, they will get an account with you. On that account, they can go ahead and pay you online. They can look at their usage with you. They can recharge more their account if they want to make the payment, they can go ahead and make the payment. So this is how it's user friendly, right? And then is resellers. Resellers, also known as distributors. What will be their experience? Your resellers, in order to sell your services within the market, they will have their own web portal, which is all web-based, and you can have network of resellers. And if, for example, let me give you an example. For example, your reseller doesn't have access to an internet within his shop. Then what? No, he won't stop with his business or something. He can still recharge your clients over the phone. He can still sign up your clients over the phone. And he even gets access to different kind of reports because he's based on commission, and who is creating commissions for him? You as an admin. So he is able to see that, okay, if I did this recharge, how much commission did I get? So he has the track on those reports as well. Now, what will be your experience? You will also have your own web portal, all web-based, and you can have an employee or a partner to help you or manage your business as well. So from your admin portal, you have full control on your customers' profile, your reseller's profile, and you have full control on the account balance of customers and resellers as well. And you are the one who is creating commissions for your resellers. You can mark up your profit. You even get access to different kind of reports where you can see how well you're doing with the business. Is the calls getting connected or not? So you can pull out these reports as well. And within the system, you get a troubleshooting tool, which you can download it on your desktop, also known as Call Monitor, which helps you in monitoring all the successfully active calls going through your system and the users logged into your system as well. If you're offering your clients with a prepaid service, which is known as pinless, these kind of clients will be your subscribers. They will dial a virtual number, a local access number without dialing any PIN. They can reach out wherever they want. Along with that pinless service, you can even offer your clients with this feature, which is known as DID forwarding. What is the advantage of using this feature is that your clients, they can reach out their family or friend phone number by dialing a special phone number. And as soon as they dial the special phone number, it's going to ring to your family or friend's phone without dialing any PIN, without dialing any international number, nothing. This is how convenient this service is. And I was telling you that we do offer you with a website as well, which is also known as e-store. The website we offer you will be in a very simple template. You can hire a web designer and get it customized according to your own requirements. What all you can do using this website, you can sell your services online, your clients can buy electronic cards through your website, they can sign up with your pinless service, and once they start using your service, they will get an account on, as soon as they sign up with your service, they will get an account with you on your website, so that they can manage their own account with you, right? And they can see what is their usage, if they want to pay you, their reports and everything. Now I was telling you that we do offer you with an application for smartphones as well, which is available for 4 different operating systems: Apple, Android, Windows 8, and BlackBerry Z10. How this application works. First of all, you can go ahead and offer this application within the market branded with your own logo and name. You can choose your own background color of the application. You can choose your own splash screen. You will provide all this information to our technical support team, and they will be customizing this application for you. Using this application, your clients, they can download it, for example, for Apple. They will download it from App Store. They can register through the app itself, totally independent of you. They can go ahead and register with you through the app. They can log in and start making calls. They just need to have a good access to internet, 3G and 4G. They can go ahead and add more credit to their application as well, to their account as well. And on the application, we have different kind of features. For example, your clients, they can text each other, they can make free app-to-app calls. It uses very less bandwidth. If it is running on the background, there is no battery drainage. And if it is running on the background, someone calls you in, someone texts you, you will get a push notification. And as you can see on the screen, with the application, you can offer your clients, we do have this feature as well, which is known as VPN tunneling. Using this feature, your clients can make a call within those regions as well, those countries as well, where usually VoIP traffic is blocked. And then we have this kind of dialer as well, which is known as pinless dialer, where your clients, without any data usage, without dialing any PIN, they can make good outgoing VoIP calls. That's pretty much about the presentation. Now let's move on to the actual software demo. Okay. So as I was discussing with you that we do offer you with the website as well. So this website which you can see on the screen is also a little bit customized, but the one which we will provide you will come in a very simple template. This website is already functional. The thing which you need to do from your side is just to get it customized. We will provide you with the referrals for the web designers as well. You can point this particular URL to your company's domain name too. So what happens through this website, you can go ahead and offer your clients with the services online. For example, pinless. So your clients, they can select who is posting these services online. You as an administrator, you can post as many as you want. Your clients, they will come here, they will select, okay, I like this service, I want to sign up with this. They can go ahead and they will be navigated to this registration page where they can register with you, and they can pay you online through this website. In order to pay you online, you don't need to worry because we are already integrated with some of the merchant gateways like Authorize.net, PayPal, PayPal Pro. From your end, you just need to get an account with them. That's it. And as soon as you get an account, your clients are ready to pay you online as well. Calling card. You can even go ahead and you are the one who is posting these cards online. You have both options. You can print the cards within the market as well as you can post the electronic cards online. So what happens that your clients, they can go to the website, they can select which card they want to get from you, and they can simply pay you online. And then from the same website, your clients then even sign up with you for the service which is known as international top-up, which is, let me give you an example for this. For example, you have a family or a friend who is living in maybe Germany. He doesn't have a balance to call out or something. You can go ahead and pay towards his balance from anywhere within the part of the world and provide him with the minutes. If it's a first-time user, he would register with you. He can pay you online. And for example, as you can see on the screen, the mobile top-up provider with which we are already integrated, they cover A to Z destination. It means your clients can do these recharges all over the world. So how would they do it? For example, I want to do it to Argentina or Bangladesh. I would just select that country. I would enter, your client would enter the receiver's phone number here. They would enter the target amount they want to send, maybe $3, $4 or whatever they want to send. They would enter their own sender's phone number over here, and if they want, they can send an SMS to both to the receiver as well, customizable SMS, like whatever they want to send here, and they would click on recharge, and recharge will be done. This particular service is very, very versatile because you can offer this service to your clients to many different platforms. For example, if you have an existing pinless and calling card clients, they have access to this mobile top-up feature over the phone. No matter what, whichever service the clients use with you, they will get an account with you on your website. So let me log in and give you an example. They will have their own credentials to log in, and let's look for the pinless. They are able to see whatever features or whatever service they're using with you. They can look at their account summary, they can make payment to you, they can look at their usage, their invoices, they can see that what local access numbers you're offering them with, or for each destination how much you're charging them, and they can even do international recharge through the user portal. Or they get access to this report as well, where they can select the period from and to, and they can see that exactly the recharge is done or not, or what is the status of the recharge. Is it pending? Is it approved? Or what is it? So that's pretty much about the user portal. So let's move on to the actual software demo now. So this is the admin portal, and this is all web-based. It means that you can go ahead and do your business from anywhere within the part of the world. You will have your own credentials to log in, so let's log in. Okay. So first of all, let me discuss with you the core features of this platform. So the first is manage cipkernel users. Manage cipkernel users, this is the area where you can go, where you as an administrator get access to 3 user access levels like administrator, customer service, and supervisor. Okay, where you can go, for example, you have an employee or a partner who wants to help you with the business. So you can simply go ahead and create a username for him. You can enter his email, and you can go ahead and give him the rights, whatever things you want him to manage for your business. And you can have these kind of accounts as many as you want. You can have anyone to help you with the business, okay? Then within the system is providers, which are also known as carriers. So what are providers or carriers? Carriers are those which help you in connecting the phone calls. So the good thing is that as soon as you get the installation done, we do provide you with a test account with IPsmarx, because IPsmarx has acted as a termination provider too. Adding a carrier to the system is really simple. You just go ahead and add the IP address over here. If they give you a carrier prefix, you can add here, and you will just add the company information and click on add, and a new carrier will be added to the system. Our system supports multiple carriers, so you can add multiple carriers to the system as well. So once you have the carriers within the system, you will go ahead and import the rates within the system. Obviously, they will give you the rate sheet with all the destination rates and everything. So buying. Buying is basically that what you go ahead and pay to your provider. You can simply import them within the system, as you can see in front of your screen. And then is selling. Selling is what you go ahead and charge your customers. You can mark up your profit as you want. Let me show you how would you mark up your profit. You can create as many selling rate packages as you want over here, and you would simply go ahead and mark up your profit here. How would you mark it up? You would just choose the file which consists of all the destinations, and you can increase your rates by the percentage you want. Maybe it's 50, maybe it's 20, totally depends upon you. And obviously the margin between the selling and the buying will be your profit, which goes into your pocket. And then is dial plan. Dial plan is used for call routing, where you will be guiding the system of that from which carrier the call should go through. Within the system, you can go ahead and define your dial plan by yourself. So let me show you one example. So you can go ahead and guide the system that, okay, if my customer calls in this destination call, the call should go through this carrier. So the dial plan is based on priority. You can set up the different priorities for the same destination, maybe 1 to 9, and you can go ahead and assign it to the different carriers. And then we do have this feature as well, which is known as least cost routing, where you will just select the selling rate package, you will assign the carriers, and system will, as soon as you apply the least cost routing, system will go ahead and create a dial plan for you. What kind of dial plan system will create? It will give the first priority to the carrier, which is the cheapest one, so that your profit is maximized. This is done automatically. And then it even disables those routes where the buying rate is higher than the selling rate, so that you don't lose any money. Then is DIDs. In the presentation as well, I was discussing with you about the DID providers from which you get the virtual numbers or the local access numbers. We can always provide you with the referrals for these companies as well. You can contact them as soon as you get the account with them. We will help you in configuring them within the system, which is also really user-friendly. Just add them based on the IP address. And then whatever numbers you get from them, you can simply import them within the system and allocate it to your services. Whether it's a calling card or any service, you must have observed that all the services, whether it's calling card, whether it's pinless, they're all unified within the one platform. It means you don't have to manage different platforms for billing, invoicing, or any other different service. Everything is inbuilt within one platform, which is easy to manage. Then is services. Services, this is the area where you create different services. For example, calling card or pinless, any service you want to create, you would just go ahead and create it over here. You can, let me show you one example. So as you can see on the screen, you can go ahead and you can define the service name. You can go ahead and You can go ahead and give the dial plan, and then you can go ahead and assign the selling rate, whatever rates you want to charge your clients as well. And you can go ahead and define the denomination over here, and you can even decide for how many days this card is valid. So you have privilege to set up everything here. And the best thing is that this platform is already integrated with the website. It means whatever service you create over here, right away you can go ahead and post it online. You just need to select this service. This service is available for customers who sign up online. And right away this particular service will be available on your website. And through this same platform, you can even go ahead and do the international recharges for your clients. And then you can go ahead and you get access to this report as well, where you can go ahead and see the status of the transaction. Is it pending? Is it approved? Or what is it? And then you as an administrator even get access to these kind of reports. The most important report for you is this one, which is called detail report, which shows you whatever period you select over here. It will show you all the successfully connected calls to your system and the profit you gained within this time period. And if you're offering your clients with the calling card, then what happens that you are even able to see all the activated, expired, used credit cards, card balance report. You're even able to monitor that how many people are calling to your system concurrently or simultaneously. And failed calls helps you in monitoring the calls which somehow didn't go through your system. And within the system, you can go ahead, you get the link, you get this link from where you can download that troubleshooting tool, which I was discussing with you within the presentation, which looks like this, which shows you all the active calls going through your system and the users which have logged into your system as well. And you as an administrator get access to your customer's profile as well, which shows you all the customer profiles. If they sign up with you online, automatically a customer profile will be created here. Otherwise, even you can go ahead and create a new customer profile. You have full control on your customer's account balance, and you can then sign them up to any service you want. That's pretty much about the admin portal. And we were also discussing about the distributors. You can create network of resellers from here, and you are the one who is creating commissions for them. So let's log into one of the resellers' account, and let me show you how reseller works. Same thing, the reseller will have his own credentials to log in, and you can have as many as resellers as you want. Here, his portal will be also web-based. This is how his portal looks like. This reseller is known as pinless recharge reseller, which is really convenient. I'll show you how. And you can upload your own company logo to his interface as well. So how this works? First of all, the reseller needs to have a balance with you in order to sell your services further, or in order to recharge his customer, or in order to sign up his customers. So the reseller, he can go ahead and how he will recharge your clients for pinless, very convenient. He would just go ahead and enter the phone number of that client, because you know whenever any customer goes to a shop or convenience store, they don't have much time to give you the whole information. So just give the phone number and they get recharged or sign up. So the reseller, he would enter the customer's phone number, he would click on search, and based on the phone number, he gets signed up if that customer doesn't exist within his system before. And then the customer says, okay, I want to recharge of $1. He would click on recharge, and recharge is done. So based on the phone number, customer gets signed up. Based on the phone number, the customer gets recharged. And from the same portal, your reseller, he can even go ahead and do the international recharges for his customers. And your reseller, no matter where he is located, he can go ahead and simply pay you online to add more account balance to his own account. He can do these particular transactions through his credit card through his own portal. He doesn't need to go do any bank transfer or anything. He can simply go ahead and enter his credit card, and he can add more balance to his account, and you will directly receive this particular money into your account. And he even get access to different kind of reports. For example, international transaction report, which shows the status of the transaction he did. And he even get access to this kind of report, which is known as pinless recharge report, which shows the transaction he did and how much profit he gained based on the commission you applied him. So that's pretty much about the distributor or reseller. So we are done with today's webinar. Thank you for joining. That's pretty much about the prepaid solutions.